Alright, what up people, this is your boy Tamzi Official and welcome to this special love show, Love Talent Hunt. Alright, the reason why I called it a Love Talent Hunt is because this one is very special. It's not like every other thing you see online. Why it's special is because we are very particular about widow and widowers. All those widows, people who don't lose their husband, and widowers, people who don't lose their wife, and you are looking for love. This is the best place to find love. Alright, so I have this trader from Alaba Market. He said he lost his wife for like, let me say 10 years now. So from the news, for what he told me, he said he lost his wife for 10 years now. So he's looking for love. And also we have another woman. She came from Onitsha. She said she lost her husband too for like 2 years. So they said they are looking for love online. So this is the best place to find love. All right, so let's introduce the man first. Hello sir, can you turn? How are you?
I'm fine, my son.
What's your name?
My name is Mr. Trouble.
Oh, Mr. Trouble.
Yes.
Okay, you say you're looking for love online.
I'm looking for love.
For how long have you lost your wife?
For over 10 years. In fact, she started seeking from 15 years ago. She's sick 5 years after she died. And since that time, it's difficult for me to find love.
So what kind of wife are you looking for?
Any wife that is very, very presentable. I need somebody very young. If it's a widow, at least somebody who have tested life before. So that it will be tested. But they will tested okay.
Oh, okay. So that is the kind of woman you're looking for.
Yes, because.
All right, so we have
she
heard
must be fair in nature.
Okay, she must be
very fair, slim. I don't like too much people who talk too much. I don't like trouble.
Was your former wife fair?
She wasn't fair, but along the line she creamed herself and become fairer.
All right, so at least
the former wife.
We've heard from our trader who is there. He said he's looking for a woman that is fair. That the former wife was bleaching, but he need a natural fair woman
from God.
So let's check our lady here. Please, Mama, can you turn to us? Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
How are you? What's your name?
Wahala.
Wahala. These two couples. Wahala deal. This one is Oga Trouble and the Wahala. So, how long have you lost your husband?
10 years ago.
Yeah, I can feel your pain. Yeah. So you're looking for a man. What kind of man are you looking for?
A merchant.
Huh?
Merchandise.
No, I mean, what kind of man are you looking for? What is merchandise?
Okay, I heard man. The man I'm looking for. An able-bodied man.
Oh, able-bodied man.
Able-bodied man.
What kind of business you do?
Me or him?
You. What kind of business you do?
I'm a businesswoman.
All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, we heard from the two widow and widower. So we are going to unveil them to know if they actually see each other attractive. We have heard from the man and from the woman the kind of man that they want. So, just turn this way. Turn this way. Turn. Look at the viewers. All right, turn this way. All right, so are you ready to see? Are you no, just yeah, okay. Are you ready to see the woman that you?
Yes.
You're ready to see her?
I can't wait to behold my love.
Oh my God.
I'm already in love. The voice I heard is so tiny and that is exactly the love the voice I want to behold on.
Yeah. So are you ready to see the man here?
In fact, the voice I'm perceiving is exactly manly because I told you I want a man that is man enough.
Oh my God, I think this
man enough, black enough.
Oh, are you serious?
Yes, black like a man.
Wahala.
Man, not the yellow. Black man like a man.
So that means your former husband was black?
Black! Oh! Black is beautiful.
Yeah. All right, so let's unveil them to see if they really find each other attractive. So just relax. So sir, we are going to remove your blind. Okay, just turn this way first. Turn this way. Hey,
removing my blind.
Don't turn yet. Turn this way. All right, so you turn this way. Turn this way. So we are going to remove your own blind too. All right, so remain like this. All right, so guys, you've heard from our two couples, one widow and one widower. So we are going to unveil them. We've already unveiled them. They are going to turn to each other now to know if they find each other attractive. And as I said, this is the best love show for widow and widowers to find love online. So, ma, are you ready?
Yes.
You are ready?
Yes.
You are ready to see the man that is here?
Yes, I'm very excited.
Sir, are you ready to see the woman?
I cannot wait. My heart is in me.
Yeah. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we are going to count to 3. and the two of them will turn to each other to know if they really find each other attractive. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah, turn to each other. Let's see. Turn. See. Can you? What's happening here? Sir, are you okay? What's happening here?
Brakuku.
Hey! Hello! Tamabala.
Maggi?
Imo!
Oh, wow! British Abala Jama.
I don't understand. What's happening here?
How you go understand? How you go understand?
I think the same understand.
Check Maggi, you see we?
You know what you see we?
Widow.
Doa.
Hey! So, Maggi, get some ilaga. You know, village, you know, is ilaga.
I think I should be doing Mona. I was standing to Mona neck and
Sir, please.
So, you tell me, say your mama got to there for village. You're hungry, don't kill him. No. You want to go and give your children go to food. Come back 2 days, give up. I'm sorry, Nime social media can on it. Nay, to get it is a window.
Let them go.
Is a window.
Let them go on each other. I said, what can you want? Everyone, but shift in a bed. If you don't be there, you people and bill. Let's shift to the quarter dinner. Midnight down here on an account on a noche palapiga. Deep all business.
Sorry, sir, but you told me you lost your wife.
I put that on your loss. I didn't tell you, sir, I lost my wife. I lost the courage I have in how him.
I said it, I lose hope.
So that means two of you know each other before.
I let you know. You came online, you want to come and find husband. No wonder some marriages today are crumbling. Because most of the women, if they go outside like this, and when anyhow somebody should react, instead of them to say, I am married, full stop. When you are married, you are married. Don't try to paint it like this. You came online and told them you are not. No one every time woman we married, if they cook, we carry food. You know they do business online. Because women when they do business online, now them they online all the time is acceptable. But you are not a Facebooker. You know they do nothing where they showcase for business. Not be this or where they sell for market here. You they carry a go Facebook. Every day you there for online. You don't know each other.
You don't talk finish.
You they find husband.
You don't talk finish.
I say my man name.
Your phone never ring out. Your phone never ring out. If it ring now. Give me go outside. Hello? Call me back. Don't do video call. Don't do video call. My wife is around.
That means you are cheating on your wife.
Who is not cheating? This one where she cheat, no be cheat. Me cheat on my wife. I mean because I'm trying to protect our business. There are some businesses that you need to do some certain things for it to work. I'm into women business. You need to come back. Everything I go tell you.
Manicure. Manicure. I'm into manicure.
So plan again. I will come one or one.
Get on what you did.
Please, before you go, sir, please, viewers, I am so sorry. I never knew these two couples know each other before. Because from
you call us couple, can't they say we know each other before?
Sir, from what I'm saying, you are still couple. The both of you are still couple.
She didn't leave Mama. Yesterday she said she won't go to their father's house. She come out. I don't know, say now you.
Please, we are not here. We are not here to settle. We are not here to settle family issue. Please.
Not be you that cause some. When I don't online, they scatter family. You don't online, you can't wear cowrie for head. You don't open mouth like Fawo Nash. You not going to scatter people marriage.
Not them.
Why you go set this kind of thing for this?
I said time is not for people like you. So I don't know why you jump into it. If you know your marriage is still on, why will you jump into it?
So why would not go jump into it? Why would not go jump into it?
See, this is my issue. What's happening now?
Okay, now you tell your papa they have to think all these dada boys, they scatter marriage.
And I tell you,
the marriage where dada boys don't scatter.
Scatter already.
They call it and they scatter marriage. Any boy where they open, where plenty earring, where more than 44 earring here. Then they scatter marriage.
That's all they do. No sense,
Nonsense.
What a mess.
What's scatter my marriage for me? Not maybe. When you come, hey,
you have one first and I see that I'm going to get them. Are you
catching a critic on your one? We say one.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure. I bet I can let you know.
Let the
Yakala become get every day, get out danger. I'm a logo. I'm a logo hotel, logo 180 years. I hate until they get up when you hate them, my trigger can't continue like this.
Why you living?
Jala, I don't like it. Get back up when you have Facebook. I go to assist. I want to my child. Since when they bring this trouser, give up. I'm not sure how buy your.
You were that. I'm got to go.
Hey, mommy.
The Facebook up here. I want to get who buy into.
Oh, come on, I will. Come make a gas. I will. Here you from me. I must see you with a cambo. I must see you. Get long white. Give me on yellow. We am the compatible. We am the undesirable.
I want to sleep with you.
Now, can you say I got you?